I'm Jamie, and this is Food Fight, the show where we put school lunch to the test. But today, hold on to your forks. We're gonna put school breakfast to the test. Newsflash, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Science has proven that eating a well-balanced breakfast promotes health for people of all ages. It contributes to adequate nutrient intake, including the nutrients of protein, fiber, calcium, and iron. At home or at school, breakfast can be as simple or as complex as you would like it to be. From toast with peanut butter, to cereal with yogurt, to an egg and cheese sandwich, pick healthy foods that you enjoy. Also, be sure your breakfast includes fruit and your milk of choice. If that hasn't convinced you yet, here are my top 3 reasons why you should be eating breakfast. Reason number 1, gives you energy. Reason number 2, promotes concentration and productivity. Reason number 3, improves mood. And there it is, the importance of eating breakfast. I'm Jamie, and this is Food Fight.